They also love cantaloupe, apparently. As you can see, this is a natural dewormer for them. So I give it to them several times a year when I find it available. It is a delectable treat that they do love. You can have some speed bump.